right there. Look at this. Look at this. Phenomenal. All right, I'm coming. Oh no, look. It's the original Southwest Airlines. Look at their original outfits, Tina.
Oh no. Okay, well I'm sure they're not.
Okay, so this is what it looks like in the front. Oh, hey, look. There you go. That's awesome. It's the cockpit. Oh,
Want some coffee?
would you like some coffee? Here we go. Well, it's stuck in there.
Yeah.
But that's okay. Hey, I think if you flip that, there you go. So you take the coffee out. Because you don't want to have a loose coffee pot. I mean, that'd be the worst thing in the world, right?
Yeah, right?
It's so dark in here.
You have a seat. Now, if you sit in this row, you have to be able to open the emergency exit right here, yeah.
I never sit in this room.
Oh, they got the lavatory shut. All right.